Sustainable wood decor is rapidly gaining popularity as consumers increasingly seek eco-friendly design solutions. The appeal of integrating natural elements into home aesthetics is a powerful driver for businesses specializing in woodworking. By focusing on sustainable practices in their production processes, these businesses can create not only beautiful items for homes, but also contribute positively to environmental conservation. Emphasizing eco-friendly sourcing, businesses can distinguish themselves in a growing market that values sustainability. Woodworking lends itself well to sustainability through techniques that minimize waste and maximize resource efficiency. For instance, a workshop might implement practices such as using offcuts for smaller projects or experimenting with techniques that utilize every part of the wood. This thoughtful approach not only enhances the company's ecological footprint, but also fosters creativity and innovation within the production process. Such methods can lead to unique offerings that resonate with consumers looking for something more than mass-produced decor. Moreover, the philosophy of sustainability in woodworking extends beyond just the materials used. It encompasses a commitment to high-quality craftsmanship. This focus on durability ensures that products stand the test of time, reducing the need for replacements and minimizing waste. As consumers become increasingly informed about environmental issues, they are more likely to invest in high-quality, sustainable products that reflect their values. Marketing a woodworking business that prioritizes sustainability requires an authentic narrative. Engaging storytelling can connect consumers with the brand, showcasing the journey of the materials from forest to finished product. Highlighting the artisanship and care involved not only enhances the perceived value of the items, but also enables consumers to feel part of a larger movement toward sustainable living. Building this kind of emotional connection can lead to brand loyalty and repeat business. Furthermore, businesses in the woodworking sector can harness technology to support their sustainability goals. For example, using digital tools to optimize cutting patterns can significantly reduce waste. Additionally, advancements in eco-friendly finishes and glues allow for the creation of beautiful decor that aligns with health-conscious consumer choices.